Good evening if you're just joining us, if you're on Facebook right now, if you're logged in via the app. It's called TGM Radio. Make sure you go and get it. If you're on Facebook or stream with us right now, you need to have the app something because the app will go on it happen, right? And also, if you're out there and you are an artist and you want to get involved with the show, you want to be a part of the show, you want to join the show somewhere, you want to be a feature of the show, all you have to do is just email us at Upnlive Show. Go on to our YouTube channel. Just send us a message in any one of our socials. We're on Instagram at Upnlive Show, and you can find us there. All right. Remember, if you're on YouTube as well, remember to like the page, click subscribe, and click the bell so you can get all the notification when we post stuff live here. Right? Okay. We're live here each and every Tuesday on TGM Radio. This is the Upnlive Show. As I said, we always bring to you the best and the best from around the UK right here to your screams. And we have a special gentleman inside the studio. He's been here before, not once, twice, or three times, quite a few times. He's been off the scene for a long time, and he's now back with brand new music and a brand new insight, new inspiration. People, Shanti Force is back into the studio. Good evening to you, sir.
PH, good evening to you.
Welcome forward.
Yeah, give thanks, you know.
I mean, dreads look like the dreads get longer too, you know.
Yeah. They're
Not
more longer than this too. That may I tell you.
And that your pre-lent?
Yeah, know the thing go.
Of course. How you been?
With them, when I give thanks for life, give thanks for freedom, said we, you see me? So take the day them as them forward, is it?
Of course.
Yeah.
You want to share some light on the I don't know if you want to go down that route, but I'm giving you the opportunity to clear the space if you want to mention the vacation or the reason for not doing music, fresh music, or you want to stay away from that. It's up to you.
It's nothing where we can't hide from. So, you see me? It just happen, just part of life journey. You see me? Yeah, I go hear it in the music, them said we. You see me? We explain a heap of things and we have a song named Circumstances. You see me? Okay. Yeah, so that's basically what it is, circumstances. You see me? Make a reach over there and we just move forward and you see me? Now look back.
So you believe it's a lesson learned?
Yeah, live and learn. We not take no L. On the L we take a lesson.
What did you do for your craft though? Did you feel like that time away from everything did anything special for your craft?
Yeah, I think it does make me more serious with it and like have more drive. Cause when you lock up and you can't do nothing, when you know you can't do nothing, it make you want to do it even more. When you have the freedom for you go do that tomorrow, you see me? So if anything, it just drive me more for one push with the music that we are doing right now.
Okay. So before that, you're on a buzz, so to speak. You were on a high.
Yeah.
The song that I can remember before that was High Definition.
Yeah.
And you sent us the original.
Yeah.
And it was gaining some traction. And then you sent us. You remember you sent me the verse with Big Zeke's.
Yeah.
So you had Big Zeke's when a couple weeks.
Yeah.
Talk us what happened. Let's bring it back from there, sir, before we reach to now. Yeah.
Yeah.
The buzz on that song, 'cause we didn't really get to talk to you about that song.
Alright, we did do Just Now, that build the buzz, and then we did Vice, High Definition. I just threw the name Upnlive, I couldn't even get the song that way because it wasn't released.
It never released.
It released when I was inside, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's like my most streamed song on Spotify, you see me? So I have to give thanks, respect to Big Zeke said for his strength said you see me, and
of course, because
shot the verse.
The production on that song, it not saying that your previous production weren't par, but that was just a little bit notch. Who was responsible for like the mixing and the mastering for that?
That was EMAC.
Okay.
Said Shellington I wrote said you see me, so that he's on the song with Big Zeke's Yo.
Yeah, I know EMAC. I know EMAC.
So, you see me, that was that song and see him with the if you remember good, the last time forward on the show,
it
was when the Just Now I tell you, say we not drop a standard again from this, so we're not going reverse. We take the reverse out of the gearbox, you see me? So
and it was really an ascension because you were doing shows to match up with the song and the song because you did quite a few shows. You were on there was a tour on
the
Governor tour. And I realized that you did quite a show and people always looking for Shanti Force performance.
True.
what do you think that you bring to the table out of every other artist in the UK that's different personally to Shanti Force?
I think the main difference is that is me. You see me? Yeah, that's the main difference. You see me? I can't be like nobody else. So from me forward alone, that is the uniqueness in itself. And then we just bring like, we always burn the fire, lyrics, delivery said we can interact with the crowd and you see me? Yeah, so.
One thing I can appreciate about Shanti Force and about you and your craft.
Yeah.
Is when sit down here so humble and it sound like he
Yeah,
can
he
barely
can't
talk. Him mouth can barely open. But as soon as him get a talkaphone and touch a stage, he's a different person.
Yeah, definitely.
What happens to you when you get onto stage? Is
It's
it
just
like a Beyonce and a Sasha Fierce kind of
I
vibe?
don't know about that.
You don't know. I mean,
You're not carrying us.
I'm just using an example, guys. Come on. Thank you very much. I mean, what happens to you when you touch stage?
It's just like some people say them get like nerves and them think they can't. Like my mother sing, but she just nerves is what make her don't take it serious. You see me? But me, I don't know if that part there, the lion or from the father side.
Passion of it. Yeah.
When stage show forward, it could be 20 people or it could be 1,000 people. I just rearing to go. There from there, you get me? I just want like from the stage show. From you call me on, I just want to just say, yeah, we're ready now. And you see me?
Right.
Yeah.
Ready.
Which then leads us to talking, I mean, on the topic of stage show. Something is happening on the 26th, which is that tomorrow? That's tomorrow.
It's
What's
tomorrow.
happening tomorrow?
We're doing a live show, because everybody did get to do their virtual shows and through the quarantine. And
Right.
We just go do that part, because I got so much songs. You see me? So if we release everything one time, it's just gonna like confuse up. We just go do a little show, live show, couple special guests.
Come on, talk name, man. We want some names, please, sir.
No, I just.
Is it all a surprise?
Is it a
no,
surprise?
It's not even really a surprise, but it's just natural vibes. You see me?
So who can?
Okay.
Who can we expect?
Yeah.
So it's just like we buy with tickets. And we just forward and you just present a show.
Yeah.
See,
it's just
make sure I enjoy myself.
No, you go full enjoy yourself. Definitely.
All right. So what Instagram page are we looking at? Is it yours?
Shanti Force,
At Shanti Force.
Yeah.
So look out for that tomorrow, guys. The 26th, starting at what time?
9 p.m.
Starting at 9 p.m. UK time, 3 p.m. Jamaican time, 4 p.m. US time. Wherever you are in the world, tune into Shanti Force's Instagram page.
Let's talk about you adjusting back to the life. The society.
Yeah.
What was the big change? Because I know when you get incarcerated, it was free and everything, and when you come out, this whole Corona lockdown thing again.
Yeah.
How was the flavor to that?
Well, for me, it don't feel like in lockdown now, cause I was in real lockdown before.
Yeah.
So this is now it's freedom. Said you see me outside. The only difference I will feel like when I adjusting to is like the outside events, like these
in the
things.
park.
Yeah. This is just weird to me. Like
how do you feel going to these kinds of events? I mean, in comparison to what we used to be, we're going into a venue, blah blah blah, but now we're in a park. What's the feeling for you?
At first, anxiety did that kill me first. Man, I tell you, like the place dark up. You see me? You can't even look upon a girl like from far and say, you see me? I get real close, and so it's kind of weird. You see me? But kind of used to it, I know. And
you just stick to your people, there, man.
Yeah.
You know what you need to do, and then forward home.
Just for the viewers, how much time did you serve?
21 months. Yeah, 21 months.
Wow, so almost 2 years.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay.
Almost. But I have one problem with Shanti Force.
Yeah.
Shanti Force music.
Yeah.
I always try to be critical as possible.
Yeah.
I find you connect with the streets very good, effectively.
Yeah.
But corporate and mainstream, I think you struggle with that.
Yeah.
Do you have a plan going forward? Or
Yeah,
do you
we have a
any
plan going forward. That's why you don't hear no song released as far yet.
I mean, the
Upnlive
show.
Yeah.
The Upnlive show got something today.
Yeah,
let me just say, you understand?
Yeah,
so
yeah.
Are we getting permission to?
Yeah. You can.
Actually, you're gonna do it anyways.
Yeah.
Right now, we're just gonna do a cutaway, and we're gonna
Introduce the
play
song.
first song. You can introduce the song.
Introduce this one.
Yeah, this song, I'm born for this. Courtesy of Buzzwalk Records, so big up Bucky Joe, isn't it? So when I first sing them fresh.
Boss work, a front page. Yeah. Mama tell me the friends you keep to find who you are. Pick wisely when you choose your war. Me no new to, I'm no new to care. From me young me know me woulda be a superstar. Yeah. We born for this, anyway the money there, you know we gone for it, we out there. We born for rich, G-Wagon mansion, so we born for live, yeah. With no fear, tell them I'm hustler. Bro, God feel another for bag. That's how we deal with it when we go for cash. Okay, tell them this, yeah, I know little sauce, this a big trip. Rolex pan hand and big slip. Tell you about rich life business. 100 grand when time and flip this. Man pass, then take a fast. When the big Benz gear stick shift. 20 grand shell off real quick. No for them a few years, them and live this. We born for this. Anyway the money there, you know we gone for it. We out there. We born for rich. G-Wagon man.
Boys and girls, that was Born for This by the one and only Shanti Force. Trisha Wilson's a Ghana Road in a bro.
Yeah, big
Yeah.
up my sis.
Listen, the fans and the followers and the family, everybody there on Facebook Live, I watched this interview. You understand? Because they knew that Shanti Force would be in the building. So, what was the inspiration behind that song? I think that kind of self-explanatory, but where did that come from?
It was just one day, just like some days I did have, this was like a song that I did make when I was inside, so it's just like some days I have like a 2 day or 3 day when I just write like a 4 song in a 1 day, you see me, like, you know, we kind of comfortable when we was there, so connect up with the, you see me,
so as a result of this, can we look forward to an album or an EP?
We left Alan in Bum.
Them dead.
Alright, them dead.
So we're gonna call it now.
The prophecy are a project.
What? Yes. Is there a project coming up?
Well,
give up.
As you can see, like these Jamaican now, they are changing mixtape to fixtape. They are changing album to what? Prophecy.
Prophecy project.
Project.
Yeah.
Now when they catch me, bud. All right.
Yeah.
So, stop laugh after me. It's not funny. Right. So can we expect a small project or a large project?
That's what I think.
That's the aim.
Yeah.
Okay.
Probably real soon.
Timeline?
The songs them is there, you know. It's just as I said, the strategy, and we don't want to rush and do nothing.
Right.
We want to make sure it makes sense. Cause it don't make sense. We put in the effort and record the songs, then boom, and then when it for release now, it's just like a joke thing, isn't it? So
And knowing him as well, I mean, based on the works that we have gotten before, you are a perfectionist. You never ever put out anything. We've got our personal experience of that, but we're not him not do nothing where him not satisfied with, and which we can appreciate that of your craft and of your work ethic.
Sure.
And for the persons who are within the music industry, who are aspiring artists, please take a page out. I mean, take this section out of Shanti's work ethic. Make sure that when you're putting out your projects,
it's properly,
things are done properly, because it's yours.
just hire Rasta and me guarantee say everything.
I can try
Sure.
for you. Yeah,
No,
Alright then,
definitely.
Shanti.
Right.
I have a quick question. Like, in terms of your frame of mind, like when I was incarcerated, like this song for me, when me see the title of it, me I like Jaja. I want them like a real song about. It was like it's a relaxed frame of mind. You talk about things where I go on a road, things happen, and like just life in general, just living life and enjoying it to the fullest.
Yeah.
And making some mullah.
Yeah, because that's like, you know, when you're in a incarcerated, all you can do is just think about me do my time on the road. You see me? I often know what I go. I call my friend them at 5-7 times in a space. I like her 2 hours.
That's our question. But if I ask so,
that's so it go. Me often know what I go on the road. You see me?
Yes.
Because it was serious question.
Ask him Rasta.
So, you didn't get special treatment for get one phone for go live every 2 seconds? But just ask the people them who did the ask. Yeah, I know me alone that ask.
Link bigger than drinks.
Okay, like, would they hear that? It's are bigger than drinks. All right then, bro. At least, and that's even good
so
for you.
It wasn't any special privilege then.
No.
So it was just a link
Links
thing and
bigger than
Yeah,
drinks.
that's
Full
just
stop.
that simple.
That's how we left it.
Yeah.
All right, left
Right.
it there, sir.
Yeah.
Rick, go ahead.
Yeah, I'm just surprised with the whole demeanor, because to me the demeanor has changed,
Yeah.
and it's changed for the better.
Yeah.
And sometimes you need a reality check
True.
to realize, to actually look yourself hard in the mirror
Yeah.
and say, you know, sir, me need to do this. And sometimes it doesn't happen just intentionally, it happen accidentally,
Yeah.
and then you just find yourself, and
True.
hopefully moving forward,
Yeah.
this is something that could just propel you the right way
Definitely.
and just make you do the right things. Because to me,
Yeah.
in the UK here, there's a few artists that stand out as musicians and who study the craft and try to propel it to the next level. Shanti Force has always been one of the forerunner. As I said, he always connect with the street, but that connection to the mainstream was the issue for me. Now, where I realize that you're more relaxed and calm frame of mind. Even me see you raving, but one time if you see Shanti raving, at the man at the front, at the middle, at the spotlight and everything.
Yeah,
One item they a party and
You
me
never
not
know
even realize
them, did
them.
they?
I want me
No.
I left Mrs. Maddy and I say, yo,
Yeah.
Russ there. But
Yeah.
is that intentional?
Right now, it's because we're forward and we're just observing the scene. Obviously, we're just forward and just like see what going in the street, and you see me?
So that's
like,
a part of your marketing strategy.
yeah, because we
Okay.
have to know what going. We know what, you see me? Like, even though we are do it one thing said we, but said we, it's part of the process said we, you see me?
Okay.
So basically, you fit back into the whole street. May I have a quick little question for you, Axel?
Yeah,
How do you see the game like from you leave 22 months ago
yeah.
till now? Is there any growth or any change that you see like you're falling behind, or are you advanced more than them out on the road, or what? Because you have all the time to think and
Yeah,
to-
no, it's just good for sister. The industry is growing over here, and eyes upon the industry over
it's a
here.
good growth or a bad growth now, because
It's a mixture of both.
to me we have one leading dancer who's kind of breaking the market, that's Styler G.
Yeah,
And in terms of the younger act getting a breakaway, to me
yeah.
I would say it's pretty much in the same ball game.
But then you have it depends, cause remember say you have you have dance all over here like UK and then you have a real UK dance style,
Yeah.
like you see me,
Yeah,
Like
yeah,
Jacobs
I
them.
Yeah,
Jacobs
I
are
know
coming
Jacobs
like
them.
you
a,
see me.
One
You
of
see
them
me?
there. Yeah.
That's so them is doing good, cause if you look on for them views as
they're doing
well
numbers.
and thing, it's building like them have them own a crowd. But if you play one of them song now, like one of them headphone parties,
Yeah, there's
you're
people
not gonna
not gonna know
you
what.
see me?
Right.
So
Even Bonfire doing, you want to say Bonfire upon the hypocrite. That song is doing well on the mainstream side, but
Yeah.
if we play that in a full scene,
Nobody
nobody
gonna
not gonna know what
I
going.
feel like that song they will take the crossover still.
But I'm just talking about our scene locally, like we know you as like an industry dancer.
Yeah,
So in terms of that space,
yeah.
what is happening with it? Because to me it's kind of stagnant.
Yeah, with it, yeah, I guess it's just with the artist, them need to take it to the next level, because you would do the street work, get your song playing in the parties, them, and then it's what next. You see me? That is why we not rush and do not know, because we can get it to that level, but we
Yeah.
want to.
No, what's next?
So from
Hold
on
Hold
that
on,
same
one
point.
sec, Rasta. In terms of that feel, I want that saying. We see in the street terms, and that as we see Nitro do it and get the numbers and the play and stuff like that, because
Yeah.
obviously he promote his track to the fullest and he put in the work.
It works, right?
Yeah.
Right.
So what can you do as an artist to get that
Look in.
look
That's
in?
what I'm saying. It's about the marketing and how you bring your product to the
To the
people,
target market.
and how you go make sure say alright, boom, if me I go get me song pan them playlist up on Spotify and make sure say
Yeah,
people,
Rob Show
you
will
see me,
always the right people.
right, and you see me, you promote it with the radios, with radios them in the streets, so it have to be a bit of everything,
Synergy.
and
Yeah,
said
yeah.
we work the social media, cause that's the thing there right now.
Yeah, because to be honest, it's in Nitro where the social media to
Yeah.
grow. He work it till him one time. He was
He
annoying
rub
me
out.
because
Yeah.
like as me go up on my social media,
TikTok.
Nitro, me scroll down 20 times and Nitro and 20 different girl above.
But I mean, the work has been put in.
The work ethics.
But I mean, you have to look on it one way or the other.
Yeah.
Some point idea you can scroll past it 5 times or
You
6
still
times.
see the
work
Still have to see it.
You see me?
Cool.
All right, so so we're putting tracks together
Yeah.
to do the project.
Yeah.
We have the live show tomorrow.
Yeah.
Actually, this week is based on the series of events. He looks like he's very busy. What is happening on the 27th?
Yeah.
Where are you going to be doing? What are you going to be doing?
Thursdays outside entanglement.
All right.
Yeah.
So he's going to be at an entanglement, ladies and gentlemen.
No,
So if you-
No.
You understand? You can't refer me to the I use so we're gonna do. Right? So he's going to be at an entanglement on Thursday. So if you want to see Shanti Force perform live,
Yeah.
go onto his Instagram page tomorrow the 26th at 9 p.m. local UK local time. He has a lot of
Whole heap of material.
surprises and all
Yeah.
these things. Check that out and then check him out on the 27th at a location in North London near you
Okay.
to see him performing live.
So here what? Tomorrow I gonna be the live show.
Yes, so yes.
But
today?
today I up on live show.
Yes. So you can give them a little piece. Oh, you don't know what we do here
So-
on Upper Live. Even though if
And I just want to say, because I used to say this from the first.
what's that?
Me watch this show. This show did pass whole heap of time for me too. You know, I watch nearly
Oh,
every
bless
interview.
you.
You know.
Yeah, respect.
Big
Respect
on
for
my
that
thing,
boss,
so,
man.
yeah.
Respect for that.
Serious.
So
Yeah.
here what I go on now.
Him know the procedure.
No, this kind of special now.
Okay.
Because we not do it we're not even a pressure. We just want you to just relax
Yeah.
and just do what you feel like. Because a long time we not hear some Shanti Force. And
Yeah,
you know when
yeah,
Shanti
yeah.
Force forward are bars, right?
Straight.
Dragon, I hear time now. Where you say,
Left
brother?
the bars, yeah, no, still. What, it have to clean?
No, man, you can't go out, man.
Who never rate we style like it a walk now. Take a bag of play and them a say we boss now. We are making money long time and on dust now. From we plan the money tree it no stop grow yo up on life. Them can't hold with a year ya. Eat and no one see we sharp like razor. The paper that we are on for straight sir. Pound a England but a US when we drop a Jamaica. Big league them can't keep up. Real broke can't match the speed them where we go. Meek up them there when we day a street now. We see something fresh now. Convoy 4-way flasher, we a skip traffic. Can't take no stop from no police rig. That 4-5 you have the extension clip on it. No frighten for people where them a meds from east side to west. Big chain response chest. Put bullet in a head, no waste money by vest. Real recognize real, tell them the rest. We a live excel for real, we do it large. Some young fly nigga boss up and in charge. Than them John Joe Clark can't go on them yard. Girl full of brain like say a SIM card, yeah. Twet, you know the sweats. Bad tracksuit match with a bad crepe stripe. Gone uptown for your pretty hot shreps, yeah. Style and pattern easily get sex, yeah. Top man thing and no flop man thing. Don't be that mad king. Ever got that thing when the browning sing. You drown in sin. Make black man want alright in a me reach. Fat black man tick in a me reach. Have some war we can't see no peace. So me have it in a reach. Some boy down in the league. Still not left myself careless when me in the street. No one make no one phone call when time I gun for your beat. So me have it in a reach. Travel with it on the front seat. All if me and me gal go beach. Hit in a me reach. Ever frost said a float like leaf. Belly around weed at the pre. So me have it in a reach. Yo G.O. the weed that's so sweet. Never see a man yet get a visa so cheap. Big dancing at the week it a keep from 2000 no long the G still a do it. Night soon come need a gal lean and me reach. Figure walk and wrap up with Dean and me sheets. You know the thing the front page no back road.
No back road.
Alright then. Watch ya now. Man badness dark like people at Zimbabwe. Scope on the rifle. Everything we left in as a connect. Bullet a fly through for red. Plus money I run like. With the point whole road I collect. Long time now the thing upgrade from ratchet. If I know this Smith and Wesson of the big belly matic. Where you split the sea like Moses the prophet. No broke badness ever increase with profit. Before corona we make boy can't leave him home. Them frightened for see the grim reap him soul. Shoot people in a real life. Them do it with phone. Blow steel make him flesh leave him bone. Me no walk on the gram so left me out of your drama. Shoot up them base then steam out na the sauna. We no sell gunna when them hot like laugh. I bury the beretta, then go dig it up back after. Can't diss me and get where you tall in the earth. To attack body back boy gone in the earth, gone in the dirt. Show them me 40 your work. Little sister we double dose mass in a purse. Where you turn Christian, we go march in a church. Jesus not save them all the past of his flirt. Or you feel what bad man when you bossy your nerd. What's thing this I just the first part of the purge. Mummy say son, or you run up in a trouble so. Now I beg no friend me look at them double up. The genatepine see the whole of them shuffle up. Once me pull it, boy get bullet in him gut. Gun too big for waist, my belt buckle with a bus. Walk with it in and ready for when it a free bus. People shag up, yeah, I'm a gun alone me trust. I'm a jury, I'm a prosecution, yeah me a the judge. Tell them man, bad long time another since what the air. You know what the thing
tell you man, just relax no man.
There, just a load up you know.
Just relax no man. That me a talk about you know. That me a talk about you know.
Let's say more.
Go on next. Go on again, me not stop you.
Yeah, me know what she like me like when she ride for me big steel pipe. Money for your honeybees, I've real life. Love you for 3 nights, cause your wall real tight. Roll a big and make you keep high. Cheap flight kill me if me lie. She come 15 times. Problem for she keep dry. Like she live a seaside, that's why she no leave high. And you know from me up, she up. When we walk something get beat up. Front seat na the vehicle, people need to make sure for them out keep shut. If a boy try use him strength and kick it, them woulda put a shot in a film foot. And she woulda do the same. Me somebody try style her man. That a when my car real love break. But I know every girl stay that way, yeah. So but we enough of them girl, yeah, Satan. How that girl lay a walk and a talk, say ya whole of the best when she shot about 8 man. I know every girl will look good, bless of them give you little sex. You get locked up in a station. This a when me know from day one. Good nookie make me walk from 3 mile Garbrayton. Destiny, I'm destiny if we get jiggy.
That's the trouble.
Trouble today.
Yeah.
Yo people, make sure say uno.
The Facebook page is lighting up with some hearts and some fires. Bro, God.
Yes.
God no.
That's
God no.
I swear. Apologies.
Apologies for what?
Me turn off your talk phone a while ago.
Is that right? I know nothing new.
A regular something.
A regular same thing. It's fine. It's all good. But yes.
But the freestyle Rasta, how it go on?
A Shanti Force dog. What you expect me to say? I mean, every time he forwards, I was about to say something, but I don't want to get no why.
Why?
You understand? Or me can't get no why, cause yeah, right. Every time, anyways, anytime him forward,
Yeah.
we just see the craft being elevated, and that is what I can appreciate about him.
Yeah.
The humility that I have learned from him and about him. Dog, big up yourself.
Of course,
Big up
wicked.
yourself.
And as I said, there's loads more of this worth to come from. So
Trust
people
me.
make sure to log in tomorrow. Shanti Force live. It's gonna be fire. You know, me I take the point. I'm a duty. Me know me start work 5 o'clock. But me I make sure say me there.
Check
I look
in.
live something to check in.
Check in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Of
And
course.
because him burn up the show, we have to go, you know, take it down and
What, may I ask you invite? Me I like to forward at the venue and do a little. One
yeah,
little.
so drop us a message and we'll
Of
connect
course.
up the thing. Yes.
Definitely. All right, so people, Shanti, give me some socials before we cut. What's your social media? Everybody should know
Shanti
about.
Force, ShantiForce at everything. That's Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat. No, Snapchat have the number 1 on it still.
Shanti Force
and then
1.
the number 1, yeah.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Thank you for passing through.
Give
Wicked.
thanks for having I.
I
Of
mean,
course.
yeah.
And just look out for the works them.
Not the A word there.
No, not that.
Not that one there.
said.
Not that.
No.
Look up the projects.
Yes,
Yeah.
look out for the projects. You
Yeah,
understand? So
yeah.
yeah.
Of
Blessed
course.
love.
All right, definitely. All right, so people give thanks, keep it locked this way. This is the Upnlive show.